Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by opening the My Jio app and signing in as the primary account holder. Once done, navigate straight to the Family or Manage Plans section. Make sure each family member's number is already linked to the Postpaid Family Plan so transfers are allowed. Also check your current shared data balance and known transfer limits because you will choose an amount next. This gets you ready to perform the transfer without interruptions and prevents failed transactions due to insufficient balance or missing member linkage. You now select the target family member from the linked list and enter the precise MB/GB amount to send. Once chosen, review minimum and maximum per transaction limits shown on screen. After verifying the recipient and amount, initiate the transfer. The app will prompt you to authenticate using your My Jio PIN or an OTP sent to the primary number. Confirm the details before finalizing. Once confirmed, the app processes the transfer immediately and updates both your shared balance and the recipient's available data almost instantly. Finish by verifying the recipient's data balance in the app and checking the transaction history for the transfer record. Make a note or screenshot of the transaction ID for future reference. If the new balance does not appear, log out and back in, then check your app version and network connectivity. If issues persist, confirm the recipient's number is on the family plan and that you met transfer limits. Contact Jio support with the transaction ID. This single troubleshooting tip typically speeds up resolution if something goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.